A new political movement, the Freedom Fighters for Change (FFC), has announced its official entry into Zimbabwe's political arena, vowing to unite citizens across the political divide in the fight for justice, equality, and a better future. Zapera mashoko kubuda panguva ino achinzi enough is enough. Panguva ino tikuona kuti a new opposition party leader aiwa panguva ino ouya achilonja is party officially achiti aiwa zvaitwa neZANU-PF zvava enough. Takufanira kupinda nobosubscribe like on the bell kuti bida panapa nomobudanya kwamuchizi. In a statement released on Sunday, the party declared that its mission goes beyond conventional politics, describing itself as a movement of the people, by the people, for the people. In quotes, beloved citizens, today we stand at the threshold of a new era, an era of freedom, of justice, and of equality. The statement reads, the Freedom Fighters for Change Party is more than just a political organization, it's a movement. The FFC leadership called on all Zimbabweans to set aside political affiliation, social status, and personal differences, urging unity in the pursuit of national renewal. Regardless of your political affiliation, your social status, or your background, we invite you to join us on this journey towards a brighter future. We believe that together we can build a Zimbabwe that works for all. The party will officially launch in Harare on September 13, 2025, and has invited the public to attend. Let's come together, let's stand together, and let's fight for the change we deserve. See you there, the statement concluded. The launch is expected to mark the beginning of what FFC leader described as a people-driven campaign to challenge the current political status quo. It addressed the country's pressing socio-economic challenges. Do mashoko ari kuda panguva ino tichiona another new political party ichifoma. Imbotizai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa tichiona this party ichiva chida kuposa the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.